Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kendra and today I'm going to be doing a DIY press-on video. So I'm showing you the nail stands that I did purchase from Amazon. They were $6.99. It came with those practice nails. I think this is a nail stand to practice paint really, but it still worked for press-ons. And that is the Loctite I got from Amazon. I believe it was under $3. So here I'm just trying to decide which nails I want to use. I had some Infling nails, some Acart nails, and some Kiara Sky jelly tips. I wanted something a little bit more sturdy, so I did go ahead and go with the Kiara Sky jelly tips. They retail for about $29.99, and the starter kit is $109.99. I did get the starter kit, but I did want to do something fast and quick, so I did make press-ons instead of doing the whole jelly tip method. But they are a bit sturdier than the more cart ones, so that's why I went with these, and they don't bend at all. So here I'm just sizing my nails and placing them on the stand. I did use too much Loctite. You don't need that much, but it's okay. It's just like poster tack, I guess, but you don't need that much, and eventually end up taking it down a little bit. But yeah, so now I'm just filing the tips with my file, and then I'm going to go ahead and file the shine off the top so that the polish can stick. So now I'm just going to wipe them with the alcohol wipe, you know, to get all the debris off. And now I'm just trying to pick my colors. I know that's a lot of colors, you know. I think I have my own nail salon here or something. I have a lot of gel polishes. I got them all from Amazon minus the Kiara Sky ones, and I'm going to go with blue and pink. So for my base coat, I am using Model 1s, and I did get this from Amazon in the set. If I can find it, I will link it. I think I purchased this last year, so if I find it, I'll link it. It came with the base coat, the top coat, and a matte top coat. Here I'm using this pink nail polish that I got from Model 1s, and you can see all the swatches for this set in a video I'll link in the cards. The set for these were $12.99, and the name of the color is called Dance With Me. And I know the bottle is small, but I only do my nails, so I really don't need a big bottle of polish, especially since I have so many colors. I don't need a big bottle. And here we have Kiara Sky's Give Me a Beat, and this bottle is $12.99. and I promise you I did not do this on purpose. Give Me a Beat and Dance With Me, they kind of go together in the same feel, the name, you know, but it wasn't done on purpose. I just found out the name of these. But yeah, Kiara Sky polishes are very nice, very shiny, very opaque, and I love them, so I will definitely be buying more. I wanted to add us a little razzle dazzle. So I'm going in with the holographic powder that I purchased from Wish for $1. Of course, Wish changes, so you can search holographic powder on Wish, Amazon, anywhere. And I'm only going to do one nail with this on each hand. And since I'm done with that nail, I am just going to go ahead and go over that with the top coat to seal all that in. And this top coat did come in the Jelly Kit set, the Kiara Sky Jelly Kit set. Here I'm using Beetles foil gel, and I did find out that you can also use it for rhinestones as well, and the rhinestones actually stay on. And the foils I did purchase from Amazon as well. If I can find the link, I'll link them, but you can just type in transfer foils and find whatever foil you want. And as you can see here, I am going ahead and putting some more of that Beetles on there. And I'm going to go ahead and add some rhinestones to this nail to, you know, kind of jazz it up a bit. Yes, I really said jazz it up a bit. I'm like an old lady out here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Tell me if this is something that you're interested in seeing, if you want to see more DIY press on nails. I don't mind doing them. I love doing them. I don't get my nails anymore. So I either do this or I'll do the Kiara Sky Jelly Tip, the whole method. So here I'm gluing them on, and I'm using some Kiss glue that I got out of a press-on nail kit that I purchased. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue them on, and if I see any extra glue, I'm going to wipe it off before it dries. applying some cuticle oil by Kerr. I got this from out of a subscription box. I don't remember which one, but I have it. And I did go ahead and apply some lotion to my hands. I didn't show it. This is the final look. Again, tell me if you guys want to see more. I love these nails. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.